Hello, my name is Brian. I'm an HVAC technician at Walt Disney World. HVAC is everywhere, so we support everything that we see and everything that goes on at the parks. Whether it's a restroom, whether it's a restaurant, whether it's a kitchen, we're all there. Some of my day-to-day responsibilities will be preventative maintenance on equipment, first response, gotta get there, gotta fix it. When we were opening Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, we actually got to walk that ride, set up some of the assets, so that way in the future, when maintenance needs to be done, we'll have everything organized to where we need it to be. The FOS apprenticeship is a great opportunity because you see all sorts of things, you deal with all sorts of people and all sorts of equipment and everything. My dad works here and he went through the apprenticeship for a while, and so he recommended it to me and I gave it a try and I've loved it ever since. My team members are awesome. We always have each other's back. We always lend a hand when somebody needs it. My Disney journey has been very interesting. I did 2 years at the resorts and 2 years at the parks. I worked day shift, mid shift, and night shift, so I got to see a little bit of everything, you know, all sorts of sides of the park and all sorts of sides of the resorts as well, so it's cool. The most rewarding part of my job is having a sense of pride, knowing that I got a piece of equipment running, knowing that I made a guest happy. If you are thinking of working here, it's definitely worth the shot. It's a great opportunity to learn and grow as a person, as a technician, as whatever it is you want to do. It's a good experience.